Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the lifestyle. In this video, two circular saw brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Makita and the Dewalt. Good circular saws feature an extremely robust blade that almost effortlessly cuts through wood and other materials, making them a great help to your home do-it-yourself projects. However, circular saws aren't exactly an everyday household item, and it can be quite challenging to find the best one out of the numerous ones available. If you don't easily settle for the best, we have great news. In today's Brand Wars video, we picked two very capable circular saws and had them go head-to-head. The Makita, which had earned a 4-badge rating, and the Dewalt, which has earned a 5-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. We'll now see if the underdog Makita has what it takes to beat its competitor, or if Dewalt stays on top of all throughout. If you're interested in the other circular saws that we reviewed, do check out our circular saw review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the Brand Wars. The first category that these circular saws will be going toe-to-toe with is their motor performance. The faster the motor turns the blade, the more you'll have control over your cut. This is why it's important to check the saw's revolutions per minute to have a good idea of what kind of performance you'll be expecting and if it works well with the materials you'll be cutting. The Makita is capable of doing 1,500 rotations per minute, allowing it to handle various woodworking projects. It is, however, only ideal for use in light cutting, preferably softer and lighter types of materials such as 1-inch workpieces such as plywood, MDF, melamine, and drywall. Meanwhile, Dewalt features a powerful brushless motor with a power output of up to 4,500 rotations per minute. With its high speed, the circular saw is capable of cutting thicker materials. Of course, a more robust motor speed proves to be the versatile choice, with it being able to cut more solid pieces of materials. It is for this reason that Dewalt wins this round. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their ease of use. A good circular saw is designed with the user in mind. Make it easy to use and store after use. This aspect may sometimes be overlooked, but is something that any avid home improvement enthusiast needs to consider. The Makita features a cordless design, only leaving the most essential components. This makes for a compact model, allowing for easy maneuverability and storage. Dewalt, on the other hand, sports a design that makes the model easy to control despite its size. It has an auxiliary handle that's easily removable just in case you want to make some adjustments. In addition, it also improves control of the tool. Moreover, the saw is built with a hanging hook for much easier storage, allowing you to keep it close by and reach it when you need to use it. Makita's advantage is basically its more compact size, which makes it the best space-saving alternative. However, Dewalt has included so many convenient features in its circular saw, which gives it the upper hand in terms of overall ease of use. With this, Dewalt once again wins another round. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their cutting capacity. You'll always want to check the size of your saw blade as well as its cutting capacity before purchase. This will determine if your pick will be the ideal choice for what you're working on. Makita features a 3 3/8 inch blade that delivers a maximum cutting depth of 1 inch, allowing for a wide range of cutting applications. Dewalt, however, features a slightly larger blade of 4.5 inches in diameter, which alone proves that it's the more capable saw. In addition to that, it delivers a cutting depth of 1 to 9 over 16 inches and 90 degrees. The saw's cutting depth is 1 inch when cutting at 45 degrees. This is perfect for cutting lumber and ripping sheet goods. Dewalt wins this one by landslide with far more superior blade dimensions and angles. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their power source. Nowadays, battery-driven models have increased in size since their power packs have gained voltage. This makes them very reliable and convenient tools, especially in areas where there are limited power outlets or if there is simply no electricity. Makita is a battery-powered model that includes two 12-volt, 2 Ah max lithium-ion slide-style batteries for improved balance and ergonomics. In addition, these lithium-ion batteries are engineered with a battery protection circuit that protects against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating, keeping you safe during operation. Dewalt is also a battery-powered unit which uses a lithium-ion DCB205 battery. The battery, however, is sold separately, but you can choose 1.5 to 12 ampere battery types. Makita has a clear advantage when it comes to the source of power, as there is already a battery included in the set. It's also equipped with numerous safety features that allow you to work with confidence. Hands down, this round goes to Makita. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their size and weight. Depending on your preference, you have to consider the saw size and weight. Most of the time, individuals would prefer to have a more compact model since they're easier to carry, transport, and store. Makita has dimensions of 14.5 by 8 by 10.2 inches and weighs 3.5 pounds, making it a champion in terms of portability. Dewalt, on the other hand, measures 17.88 by 6.629 inches and weighs only 6.6 pounds. In terms of portability, Dewalt's weight is not much to worry about, considering that it offers a good amount of power in relation to its size. With a ratio of size to performance, both these saws perform excellently in their own way. Having said that, our team has decided to end this round in a tie. The battle between Dewalt and Makita is finally coming to a close. Makita, with its conveniently portable unit, comes out with only 2 points. Dewalt, however, proves that it truly deserves our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com's 5-match rating, as it garnered a total of 4 points in today's face-off. This proves that Dewalt won't be leaving its place as king anytime soon. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Makita and the Dewalt is finally ended. If you have any contenders for a next circular saw face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.